Alright, so we're going to go through how to use GoConquer, specifically how we're going to make an account, okay? So we're going to start by clicking the bottom of the page where it says in baby blue, sign up now. Go, go, go. Cool. So sign up now. You're going to have to agree to that as well. You can use Facebook. You can sign up using your Google email, or what most of us will do, sign up through email. So you can go ahead and put in all your information. My name is Melanie. Here I do go. Let's use an email that I haven't used. We can try this one. Then password, whatever you would like it to be. And we're going to make sure that's clicked. And we're going to press join now to see what happens. It's going to take just a moment. Thank you for signing up. So you'll have to go and find your confirmation email. So, believe, oops. Right here, not quite that one. Let's find, so we've got our confirmation email right here. You'll confirm your account. Yay! We're going to choose get started. And you'll click study. We'll click middle school. And we'll go to next step. Now, if you don't go to next step, nothing's going to happen. You're all in 8th grade, in case you didn't know. And we can just do next step. Don't have to worry about anything else. And you can just pick an interest. I would just go ahead and pick science, since that's the class that we're in. We'll go to next step. Great, a little bit of positive encouragement. And finish. I said finish. Perfect. So we have that, and then you're going to go ahead and go to create. You'll click create, and then you'll go to mind map. So mind map is kind of like a, what else can you call this? Like a web, like a concept web, and you'll go ahead and start entering your terms in here. So I can, let me see. I can just put pizza, and then to add, you'll kind of click and drag pepperoni, probably spelled it wrong, but it's okay. And you can continue to add here, or you can add off of these smaller ones. So play around with this, have some fun. When you're all done, you're going to go ahead and email this to me. So you'll go and scroll down to email, and you'll put your name, and you'll go ahead and put my email. So my email that you're going to send it to is going to be mguardado@sandiego.edu. So go ahead and do that. Name, pizza, pepperoni. And you'll go ahead and send that, and you'll get credit. Yay! All is well.